everyone, welcome. You're outdoors in the 608. My name is Jeremiah. Thank you for being here. As you've seen in the intro, we were blessed with more snow. A couple days ago we got 7 inches, and last night we got like 2 to 3 inches. It just stopped snowing maybe an hour ago. I'll have to go and plow after this. But I won't be working outside in the wood yard today, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to install some accessories on the 400. I'm gonna put a new chain on. I'm gonna put some felling dogs on it and this straight shot muffler. Both accessories came from Egan Performance Saws. But first of all, I need to put more stickers on the beer fridge. Stick around. Okay, my first sticker. What a very great guy, Todd. Todd's outside again. If you are not subscribed to his channel, go check him out. Subscribe if you're not. This is a great guy. Great guy. You're right, Todd. Next is a family friend that he grew up here in my town, just down the road. He now lives in Arkansas, and he sent me some stickers, and this is his sister and his brother-in-law's brewery called Eureka Springs Brewery. If you are ever in Arkansas and you're near Eureka Springs, check them out. Thanks for sending this, Vern. This is a great guy named Dell. His channel is called In the Backyard with Dell. He was actually my first commenter on my very first video. Great guy, very innovative, and he fixes things like no one else can. Check him out. Next is Frank. He's in Minnesota, and he has his channel is called My Green Lawn. Check him out. He also does snow plowing videos. I haven't seen any of his. I'm a new subscriber to his channel, I should say. I haven't seen his lawn care videos yet, but I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for sending that, Frank. This is a new channel I'm watching. His name is Brandon. McCamey Farms. Hopefully I'm saying that right, Brandon. But if you haven't checked his video, he's new to the YouTube. He's a newer YouTube channel. Check him out if you're not. He is in Tennessee. Next one, hardworking man. Great YouTube channel. His name is Heath. He has his wife on the channel named Rachel. Great channel. They have awesome wood splitters. Check them out. They're in Michigan, I believe. This is Brad, Firewood at the Furnace. Great channel. I'm sure everybody on here is subscribed to him already, but if not, go check him out. He's in Maryland. He's a retired state patrol, I believe. Great channel, great equipment. And this sticker here, this is, the gentleman's name is Chuck. He has a YouTube channel called Iron and Oak. Him and his wife, Deb, ran it. We unfortunately lost Chuck. I believe he had a heart attack, and he's no longer with us. And Joe from Joe's Premium Firewood so graciously sent me a sticker. So thank you, Joe. If you are interested in any apparel or anything to help, I believe that all the proceeds to anybody that buying stuff from Backspin Graphics to do with to do with this. I believe the proceeds go to Deb, his wife. Check it out at backspingraphics.com. I'll put it down here. But thanks, Joe, for sending me the sticker. I really appreciate it. And I never got to know Chuck very well just by watching his videos, but he definitely will be missed in the Woodhound community. We'll put you in the center here. There you go. Let's work on a saw. Just an FYI, I am not a mechanic, nor do I claim to be one. But I think I can handle this. Cover off, the bar off. I think we'll do the muffler first. These are Torx bolts, or T25. The bottom bolts are longer than the top bolts. It did come with 2 bolts, so I'm assuming you have to replace the top ones. That just pops off. Let me get the camera in here. Hopefully you can see better now. So I'm assuming that this just goes on here. Well, so like I said before, the kit comes with 2 bolts that are slightly longer, so I'm assuming, being that this plate is much thicker than the original muffler, that you got to use these longer bolts on top. Okay, I got them all started. I'll get them tightened down here. There we go. That sweet or what? Hope it's not too loud. If you happen to be my neighbor and you're watching this video, just like to take this time right now to apologize. She might be a little loud. Anyways, let's put the dawgs on. This top bolt has a nut on it. So here's the factory one, and here's what I'm replacing it with. The reason why I wanted to do this was because with this little dog on here, when I'm cutting like really dead trees down, like a large dead red oak I'd cut down not too long ago, when the bark's all the way off and the outside of the tree is like really flaky and dry, that when I when I'm cutting the rounds, it actually what's left on the outside of the tree actually is smoldering and could start a fire, really. So I'm hoping that these bigger dogs will keep the muffler away from the wood better. I should really blow this out. There, that's better. Tip the saw up here. Okay. Now this bottom bolt just goes into plastic, so I don't know if I want to really over tighten it. I think it's plastic, maybe it's not. There she is. That should help a lot. The other dog goes on the cover. Now I did have to buy bolts for these. Did not come with any. I don't know if you're supposed to put the bolts through this way or not, but the bolts that I got were this style, and the nut should go in that recessed, and the nut, you know, that cutout will hold that nut from turning. Hopefully my bolts aren't too long. I did get a washer. So my plan is to put the bolt this way. Make sure I put this on the right way. Oops. Goes on the outside like that. And this is a metal cover. It's not plastic. I was a little leery about it. I thought this was plastic, but it's not. There we go. That should work good. They are nylon lock nuts, and the bolt is right at the end, so that should hold them. We'll get the bar flipped and a new chain on it and get it back together. Okay, this is the first time I'm flipping the bar. This is the first chain that I'm putting on it, besides the original one, of course. Be smarter than chain. Be smarter than the chain. Got it. There we go. What do you think about that? I think that's pretty cool. Those dogs should really help to keep the muffler away from the wood. I like how it holds the saw up off the bench. I like that. I think you can get like a chain catcher to put in between here. I don't have that. But I think those bolts are gonna work. They don't stick out. You gotta be careful on the bolt length because they will stick out and could possibly hit the chain, I suppose. Let's take this bad boy outside. Here goes nothing. Oh, it's loud. Wow. There we have it. We got some stickers on the beer fridge, we got some felon dogs on the saw, and a straight shot muffler. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And life is great in the 608. Thanks for watching, everyone.